Jim, fill us in on what's going on with the weather out there.
Well, there's just some beautiful pictures there. But by the way, first of all, let's look at some of the lightning that occurred last night around the area. You know, we've had so much lightning. In fact, on Tuesday, we set a record, almost a record, for the most lightning strikes in a 24-hour period for Ada County since the year 2000. So you're wondering why there's so much lightning? Yeah, there has been a lot. This monsoon pattern continues, and outside we have a lot of cloud cover still. No rain reported in the Treasure Valley right now, but there have been thunderstorms all around us from over toward Mountain Home, up toward Weiser and Payette, out into eastern Oregon and down in Owyhee County as well. Looking south, this is St. Al's. Looking southward toward the Owyhee, 66 degrees right now under cloudy skies, and east winds at 8 miles per hour. So let's look very quickly at Storm Tracker, and you will see what I'm talking about. Bands of rain and thunderstorms still shifting from around the Magic Valley westward, and everything's moving from south to northwest and then to the west as it pivots around a low pressure system down in Nevada. So in the mountain areas, rain and thunderstorms, moderate to heavy at times. Flood watches are in effect for all of the mountain areas, the west central mountains, the Boise mountains, even over into the mountains around Sun Valley through the rest of the day, and likely again tomorrow as well. And as they move west into Oregon, we've seen thunderstorms producing lightning around Weiser and Payette and Fruitland, west of Ontario and Homedale, and very heavy rainfall in those areas, as well as in Owyhee County, where thunderstorms have been very active this morning. So look at all the lightning strikes that are going on in eastern Malheur County right now. And also, as you move over eastward toward Glens Ferry and up toward Mountain Home, some lightning strikes lifting up into that area. So we could see a few showers possible even in the Treasure Valley this morning, more likely later this afternoon with thunderstorms. And as this low starts tracking northward up into the region by well, say tonight and tomorrow, it'll start weakening over eastern Oregon, but sit there and pump that moisture up through Idaho for locally heavy rainfall continuing. So that's why we have the flood watches out for the mountain areas north of the Snake River Valley. But just about anybody could see at least a brief heavy shower like we've seen over the last couple of days here in the Boise area. So again, this afternoon and evening, showers and thunderstorms very active, dying out a little bit overnight, but periods of rain tonight and tomorrow, moderate to heavy in many locations. Again, tomorrow afternoon, moving up past the Magic Valley and heading up toward the Treasure Valley tomorrow evening and into Saturday. It does start to let up a little bit on Saturday and Sunday as that low finally pivots farther to the north, but then we see more activity coming in next week. So the forecast for the Treasure Valley, 83 degrees today. Cloudy skies, breaking up a little bit later this morning, but showers and thunderstorms again this afternoon. Periods of rain off and on tonight through tomorrow and into Saturday. Locally heavy at times. Temperatures cool to the upper 70s to low 80s. Dries out a little bit as we head through the weekend. More thunderstorms likely Monday and tapering off toward the end of next week, but pretty active every day with temperatures back in the low to mid 80s next week.